been having a fit. I don't know what's wrong with her. What's your problem? There's something in the closet? What's in the closet? What's in here that you like so much? Okay. Ah, stop. No. Is it in here? Is it in here? Well, what about this one? Is it in there? Is it somewhere in here? Where is it, Moo? Maggie? What? Come here. What do you want? What? What? What's wrong, Lulu? What? What do you want? Down, no. What? Really? Maggie. Hey. Hey, you know what? Wanna go show? No. That's what you want? And you walk on the pool. Yeah, she's in a weird mood. So yeah, I'm gonna go because it's kind of cold out here.